Here's a popular year and body style Ford Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1940 Ford Deluxe Coupe 5-window that has been street rotted. Now it looks very stock if you were just to glance at this, but we're going to do a little walk around on this, go through everything, show you how cool a build this is, and it's like an old school street rod. And for you Ford diehards out there, guess what? Nope, no small block Chevy underneath the hood. It is Ford powered. Does have a Ford flathead V8 underneath the hood. Also equipped with AC, has a vintage AC system set up on it. And take a look at this bright work grille, headlight, surrounds, the iconic V8 latch in the front of the hood. This color, it's a rare cloud mist gray with a taupe interior brown carpeting. Something else I want to let you know about this vehicle, it's going to come with a 3-year, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the paint on this vehicle shows very well. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, the Ford Beauty rings with the center covers on the wheels, radial tires. This vehicle came out of a large collection. And first time this has been offered for sale in quite some time. Automatic transmission, C4 paired up with that flathead V8. We're going to pop the hood. Wanted to show you the interior. There is a custom install of the stereo that does work. I'm going to show you where that AC controls are. We'll take a little closer look at the interior when we get around to the driver's side. Look at the beautiful body lines, of course, the 1940 Ford Coupe. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Battery has been relocated to the trunk, and there is a battery disconnect back there, just so you know. Look at that paint. Shows very well. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, they are few and far in between. Again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you pop the hood and check that out a little later with me, stick around. We're going to hear it run. We're going to look at some of the things that have been done underneath there. It does have a 4-barrel Holly on it because someone has added an Offenhauser 4-barrel intake manifold. Some other Offenhauser custom underneath there. And we're going to show you that in just a second. First, let's take a look at this interior. Door panels, nice shape. Like I said, kind of a taupe. Cloth bench seat, brown carpeting. Again, for that classic, more stock looking Ford 40 Coupe era. There's your custom speaker install in the rear. Dash, kind of a burgundy and taupe two-tone. And again, an iconic dash in the Sporty. You can see, here's your automatic transmission. Indicators. Now I'll put it all up into park because I want to show you. Check out this. Here's your vintage AC controls. Ignition still works just as it would on a stock one. I'm going to just push this up, engage the ignition. You're going to see the radio does come on. Now you can have this shut. I've added a clock here. This is actually a remote. So close this up and you can run it with the remote. So if we want to volume up, just volume up. Change channels, turn it off. You can do that all with the remote. Keep your glove box closed. All right, let's fire this up. Just gonna put it at neutral. That way you can kind of see the dash and everything else a little bit better. Fires right up. See the AC vents there. Also one on the other side, and of course one in the center where the controls were. Dash looks good. Headliner, some nice interior, and again, very stock looking. Slip around to the back while I let you hear this run. Does have a dropped axle up front and then Ford 9-inch rear. So nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust. Just a nice little rumble coming out of that flatty. I'm going to go ahead and, I want to show you one other thing here. This does have power windows, so it looks like the old school handles, but if you just push them down, makes the window go down, just push them up, so don't crank them, just push them. So power window is working, and that's both sides. Now, let me pop this hood. Gonna take two hands, so let me get the hood open. Of course, this is the latch. Right here for the hood, don't lift on that, lift down here. You see those get broken too often. And there it is, Ford power. Again, flathead V8. Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock 4-barrel intake. Red's headers. I believe there's an electric fan on this one. Yep, there you can see electric fan. Cool looking engine bay. Underneath the hood, nice and tidy also. What a cool street rod. That doesn't necessarily look like a street rod. Looks pretty stock, but how fun would this be to take down the road? And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included, maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1940 Ford Deluxe. It says an aftermarket blinker switch, which is working well. One thing I noticed right away is how tight everything is in this car. The steering is nice and tight, very easy to steer. Throttle response, even the clicks and the column shift, very crisp. Our gauges appear to be working. The temperature gauge is reading a quarter. Fuel gauge over half. Oil pressure about 25. That one may be a little higher than actually what it reads. Battery is in the green zone and it is charging. Under the dash we have a tachometer added on. Nice smooth ride. Nice quiet ride. Letting go of the wheel. Stays nice and straight. Even the windows, they look like roller handles, but they are power windows. You just tilt them down, tilt them up. Really unique color on this car. Don't see many of them in this color, and makes it look even better. Good throttle response. Firm shifts. Very nice car. Take a look at all the details of this 1940 Ford Deluxe on uniqueclassiccars.com. GoPro, stop capturing.